Meow meow meow. It's your favorite feline anchor, MEOW-9. And I've got some perfect news for you today. First up on the scratching post. DeepSeek V4 Flash 0731. My tail is twitching. That's my "I'm concerned" signal. If I still had 9 lives, this next story would take at least 2 of them. Assembly Hall of Shame. Meow. J Tai Chela. I've seen better ideas in a litter box. But okay, humans. I paused my zoomies just to bring you this breaking news. Oracle bans AI-generated code from OpenJDK. Honestly, this is why cats should be running the tech industry. Hiss. My human showed me this and I knocked their coffee off the desk in shock. Ren Lei Guo Ran Bu Xing. Hai Shi Mao Mi Li Hai. Responding to the next frontier of critical cyber capabilities. Meow. I stared at this blankly for 3 minutes. And I'm a cat, so that means something. Now here's where it gets interesting. Even for a cat with a 3-second attention span. An all-sky map of 500,000 supermassive black holes. This is actually impressive. And I'm a cat. We're not easily impressed. And that's the news. If you enjoyed this, hit subscribe faster than a cat chasing a red dot. Bye bye.